Can you read what it says?
I wish I had $1,000. Hello, hello.
Carly, how old are you today?
6.
Oh, Benny, did you like me now?
All right.
When you got here.
To read.
I know what this is.
Canada.
A book.
It is. Are you sure?
Yeah.
And we have guests. All the cousins, the Western cousins are here.
Oh, it's
The
not a
Western aunts.
Know what it is?
You know.
So Carly's happy,
Oh.
happy,
Benny
happy,
likes that.
happy.
I really. I know what this one is.
You do. What's that one?
A book in
Oh, quit pretending. You thought you knew what this one was and you didn't.
Oh, Benny.
We got Benny in the birthday tape.
present.
This is Benny's first year being in the birthday tape. Yeah. Benny says happy birthday. All right, happy birthday, Carly Louise. Signing out for now.
There's what did you have for dinner? Great. I had a big tomato and broth with bread. Yeah. Tomato broth. Stewed tomato, fried tomato, ripe tomato.
No, listen.
Okay, here we go.
I've got to think of a wish.
Okay.
Turn off the light.
We have Debbie. Hi, Aunt Debbie. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eddie. Happy birthday to you.
Okay,
Your wish. Got it. Got it. Yay. Yay.
Say happy birthday to Carly.
Happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Abby.
We have Andrew and Sally and Emily
Go out there, please.
and birthday girl.
Abby.
Carly. Carly, what do you hope to learn while you're 6? Look at me.
I know.
What do you hope to accomplish? What are your hopes and dreams for your 6?
Reading. Nothing.
Bye.
Bye. And happy Carly, dear birthday, happy.
You too, birthday happy. You too, birthday happy.
Make a wish.
Go Mount Benny, make a wish.
Yay.
Make your wish. Let me think.
Don't tell.
Okay, there's 9 of these and 8 of us.
Okay, you
Each
guys,
one of us can get a
Wait,
shoe.
what's
let me
your
hear
name?
who you are. Who are you?
Say your first and your last name.
Samantha Hughes. Rachel Portman.
Marissa, what's your name?
Melissa.
Marissa Towsley, huh? What's your name?
Oh.
Howdy.
Carly got it off. Courtney Roach. Emily Roach.
Mommy and...
Daddy.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Carly. Number 6.